Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Did you guys miss me? Because I miss y'all so much. I've been gone for like 2 months. I'm so sorry, y'all. Anyways, y'all, I really wanted to just sit down and get glam with y'all today. So this is what this video is about. Pause. If you're not to the YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe because subscribing is the only way you can be part of the Glam Squad. Now, if you don't know what a Glam Squad is, it's one of those people on YouTube we like makeup, we like fashion, and sometimes we do sit down videos. Anyways, y'all, I really don't want to make this intro so long. So without further ado, let's just get into the video.
Everything big. Oh, you fancy, huh? Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Okay, y'all, so this is the palette I just used. I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys the shade that I use in this palette. I use cinnamon, I use terracotta, and then I use sand, and I blend all of them together. Okay, y'all, and now I'm just going to go with the EYN from Beauty Bay. I'm gonna go with the black eyeshadow because I want to deepen this, so the black eyeshadow is to just deepen it more. How are y'all? Oh my god, I miss YouTube, but like y'all, I don't like to edit. This is like my biggest thing with YouTube videos is the edit. If I had people to just edit for me, I would be posting more. But every time I think about the editing part of it, I'm just like, get somebody else to do it. Okay, y'all, so this look good. I'm gonna cut the crease and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, the crease is all cut. So I'm gonna go back with the Violet Voss palette and I wanna use this shade Cream. It's a really stunning shimmer shade. Why is it not showing? Anyways, I'm gonna put it right on top. It looks so cute, like cuter in person, but the camera is not doing it any justice right now. I'm just putting that on the lid using my finger. It's easier, trust me. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back and this is the eyes. Almost done. But before we finish the eyes, we have to do the base. So we're gonna go with the Milani Aqua Bloom. I love this because it's very much like a hydration and it hydrates your skin so good. Like the glow it leaves you is amazing. I love it. And then y'all, we got the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is the best combo ever. Okay, so this is the Maybelline New York concealer. I'm gonna put like under the eye, on top of the forehead, chin, and that's it. And obviously I'm gonna use this little shit and I'm gonna blend. I forgot what they call. That's why I'm calling it a little shit. Okay, y'all. So this is all blended. So I kind of want to brighten my under eyes. So I'm gonna do that with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camera Concealer, and this is the medium sand shade. I'm just gonna put like a dot. So I'm gonna like, ooh, blushed. This is very like lightweight. So this is just because I'm using cream first, and then I'm gonna set everything with powder later. But this looks very a lot. Anyways, woo! Oh, bright under eyes. It be doing it for me. You know, Dalton bronzer. We're gonna go with the LA colors. This is cheap, but it works. Woo, woo. Oh my god! Oh my god! Now we're gonna set, bake, whatever. I bake under here. so that my contour can be snatched. Okay, I press the powder in when I'm like just instead of just like swiping it off, I press it in and then swipe off. Press it and then swipe off. See? Looks better like that. I'm gonna go with blush on top of the cream. So it can set. Highlight, Glam Light highlights. Michaela. Miss Michaela. I feel like every time I open TikTok, Michaela is in some drama. Like, I don't get it. And to think she live right here in Massachusetts, literally not far from me, y'all. Like 45 minutes away from me. It's crazy. Okay, y'all, let's put on some gloss. Did you like it? Like it, like it, like it. Ooh. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, leave a comment down below. Because if you have reached this far and you have not comment and you have not subscribed, then what are you doing? Do it right now. Do it. Anyways, y'all, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.